with your overripe bananas, you can make banana bread. If you like our videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified as soon as we release a new video. Let's get started. You will need a mug, a hand blender, which we will use to blend all of our ingredients together, a quarter of a cup cooked chickpeas. You should rinse them if you're using canned, a quarter of a very ripe banana, a quarter of an avocado, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a teaspoon of vinegar, which we will use to activate our baking soda with, a pinch of salt, a very tiny pinch of ground cloves to enhance the flavor. Put all of your ingredients into your mug. I tried this recipe with almond butter and it turned out really delicious. You could also use any other nut butter or seed butter. Let me know in the comments below which nut or seed butter you used to make this recipe. I'd love to hear from you. Now, activate your baking soda with your vinegar. Blend all of your ingredients together. Wipe the sides of your mug with a paper towel. Now it's time to bake your cake. Every microwave is different. It takes about 3.5 to 4 minutes to bake this cake in my microwave. I suggest that you place this cake in your microwave for 2 to 2.5 minutes and then check. How do you know if your cake is ready? By placing a toothpick into the middle. If your toothpick comes out moist, put your cake into the microwave for another 15 to 30 seconds and check again. Since this is a relatively moist cake, your toothpick doesn't have to come out completely dry. You can choose to decorate your cake with the rest of your banana. Now it's time to try our cake.